In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to group shapes in PowerPoint so you can move, resize, and format multiple objects as one. Grouping objects is one of the most useful features in PowerPoint, especially when you're designing slides with diagrams, flowcharts, arrows, icons, or custom layouts. Once you know how to group shapes properly, your workflow becomes much faster and much more organized. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the shapes you want to group. For this example, let's say you have an oval shape and an arrow on your slide, and you want them to move together as a single object. Click on the first object. In our example, click directly on the oval. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection handles appear around it. These are the small circles or squares around the edges of the shape. Next, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. This is the key that allows you to select multiple objects at the same time. While holding down the Ctrl key, click on the second object, in this case the arrow. Now you should see selection handles around both the oval and the arrow. This confirms that both objects are selected together. Make sure you keep holding Ctrl while selecting multiple items, otherwise PowerPoint will deselect the first shape. Once both objects are selected, look at the top of your screen. You should see the Format tab appear under Drawing Tools. Click on the Format tab to access the formatting options for your selected shapes. Inside the Format tab, find the Arrange group. In this section, you'll see several options related to positioning and organizing objects. Click on the Group button. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Group. As soon as you click it, PowerPoint will combine both shapes into a single grouped object. Now, when you click on either the oval or the arrow, you'll notice that both are selected together with one bounding box around them. This means they are now grouped. To test it, click and drag the grouped object to a new position on your slide. You'll see that both shapes move together, perfectly aligned, maintaining their spacing and layout. Release your mouse to place the grouped object exactly where you want it. This is especially helpful when you're building diagrams, labeling graphics, or designing slide elements that should stay together. Instead of constantly repositioning items individually, grouping saves you time and prevents misalignment. If you ever need to edit one shape separately, simply click on the grouped object, go back to the Format tab, click Group again, and choose Ungroup. That will separate them back into individual shapes. Here's a quick bonus tip. You can also group more than two objects. Just hold Ctrl and continue clicking additional shapes until everything you need is selected, then use the same group option. This works with shapes, icons, images, text boxes, and more. And that's it. That's how you group shapes in PowerPoint quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. I post easy-to-follow guides that help you work smarter and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.